Hey everyone, Tech Steve here. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced robot vacuums for 2025, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller. This little machine does everything. It vacuums, it mops, it even cleans itself. It also protects your carpet with built-in intelligence. If you're looking for a robot vac that takes cleaning to the next level, you want to see what this one can do. Let's start with Dreame's brand new Aqua Roller mop technology. Unlike traditional robot mops that reuses dirty water, this system always uses fresh water every single time it cleans. And then we got the FlexRoll technology, the world's first counter-rotating roller module that spins at 1000 RPMs. This secondary roller fluffs the mop while cleaning, so it can dig deep into the cracks and lift dried on grime very easily. And I want to show you how well this mopping technology actually works. After mapping my kitchen area, I set it up to do a mop test, and as you can see here, it did a phenomenal job cleaning up all the spills that I created. Another feature that you're really going to enjoy about the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller is that it has side-to-side coverage. And with the side reach, this is going to allow the robot vac to sweep dirt in those tight spots and corners. And it also includes the new Mop Extend. This feature is an intelligent roller mop that extends beyond the frame to get closer to the wall, the corners, or even around your furniture. And this feature adjusts itself automatically to ensure that the tight spaces get the same treatment as the sweeping system. And the Dreame Aqua 10 has a hot air system that dries the rollers at 158 degrees. And this is going to prevent mildew and moisture buildup, keeping the rollers fluffy and hygienic for your family. And when it comes to dry spills, this robot has you covered. To give you an example, I put oats and rice on the floor to see how well it actually cleans in real time. And after going back a few times, I will say for normal use, it's going to do a great job picking up those breadcrumbs or cereal that you leave on the floor. And once it's finished, it will go back to the main base and empty itself out and get ready for the next cleaning. And let's not forget about the detangling side reach. This is going to allow the vacuum to sweep around your baseboards, around the legs on your furniture, as well as anything that's in its way to make sure you get the cleanest floor possible. With all these systems in place, it can vacuum up hair no problem, so that's not something that you need to worry about. And for people who have carpet, no problem, because the Dreame has a turbo force motor delivering up to 30,000 PA suction power. And the great thing about it is that it's completely autonomous, so once you set it up, it will clean your house, your carpet, and floors without you having to worry about these tasks whenever you get home. If you have a step down to get into your living room or a step up to get in your kitchen, it's no problem for the Aqua 10. The Pro Lead system allows the Aqua 10 to climb obstacles up to 8 centimeters high, and with this feature, it smoothly transitions between rooms, door frames, or even small steps. Now let's talk about some of the advanced sensors that's available in this robot vac, starting off with Astrovision. It's a dual-powered AI camera system with NVIDIA reinforced learning. It recognizes over 240 obstacles with multimeter level accuracies, and this can detect cables, toys, furniture, as well as children and pets, so everyone is protected. And this works with a side sensor as well as a retracting LiDAR sensors that's located on top of the vacuum. And here's an example of the camera system. Now, one thing about this camera system, it is password protected. And one of the great things about it is that if there was any type of intruder in your home, you could actually record and you can do screenshots off the camera system remotely and see exactly where the vacuum is located. And another feature that you'll definitely like about the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller is that it has a light built right in front of it, so you can see exactly where it is. And I find this to be very handy if you come home from a late night. You'll know exactly where the vacuum is cleaning. In the box, it comes with a multi-floor cleaning solution as well as a pet odor solution, and you can easily get more refills on Dreame's website. You also get an instruction manual as well as a cleaning bristle, plus you'll get additional vacuum bag. Now let's take a closer look at the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller. On the back of it, you'll find the magnetic connectors, plus there's a tray that stores all the dust and debris as it goes around your home. And one thing about this tray, it does have a built-in air filter. And on the bottom of it, this is what the mop looks like, as well as the retractable wheels. And it does have your cleaning brushes right here that you can take out and clean when needed. And it does come with this base station, which is larger than my previous generation. And on the back of it, you're going to find a power switch as well as your power cord input. On the front of it, there's a door that you can remove. Inside of there, you're going to find your vacuum bag that you can replace once it gets full. And you'll also find a solution reservoir that's clearly marked A and B, and that's for the different solutions. And I did want to point out this new system has rubber around the edges, and this helps the dust from the vacuum bag from re-entering your air. And also want to mention, whenever you look into the tray where the vacuum docks, there's some plumbing as well as the contacts for charging it. And hot air blows out the gray tray on the bottom to dry out the mop system. Another great feature about the Dreame Aqua 10 roller is that even if you move the base from side to side, it will need to remap the room, but the great thing is that the vacuum can always find its way home due to all the sensors that are on board. So no matter where you place the base, the vacuum can find it. There's also two reservoirs on top of them. One is for your clean water and one is for your dirty water. And for me, it was very easy to get started. I just put clean water in the reservoir, and then all you have to do is pour in the provided cleaning solution. Then after a few minutes, the robot vac will be ready to program. On this video, I showed you everything that you need to know about the Dreame Aqua 10 roller. In my opinion, it did a phenomenal job cleaning the floors, mopping the floor, picking up debris, and the cool factor is that it can climb small stairs is a pretty good thing to have. If you guys are interested in learning more about this product, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.